June 26 is observed as International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking every year after the United Nations General Assembly passed a resolution on December 7, 1987, as an expression of its determination to strengthen action and cooperation to achieve the goal of an international society free of drug abuse. Supported each year by individuals, communities, and various organizations worldwide. The global observance of International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking aims to raise awareness of the major problem that illicit drugs represent to society. Effective response to the world drug problem requires inclusive and accountable institutions of criminal justice, health, and social services to work hand in hand to provide integrated solution. In line with the International Drug Control Conventions, human rights obligations, and sustainable development goals, says the United Nations. United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime urges individuals, non-profit organizations, and private sectors and the member states to get involved in its social media campaign to mark the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking, and invites them to draw on the resources provided in the social media campaign packages.